and welcome to ChriShar, Key to Your Vitality. My name is Sharita, and I have created this page for all the beautiful ladies in this world to help them to find their hormonal balance through natural and holistic ways. Now, ladies, if you are feeling depressed, you're suffering anxiety, you are feeling anxious, you are having insomnia, you are suffering chronic fatigue, or you are having any digestive problems, if you are having really bad mood swings, PMS, you are in your premenopause or menopause, if you are having cyclic headaches or migraines, if you are having any skin issues like acne or dry skin, and on top of it, you've lost your libido, while you are in the right place. Now, who is ChriShar? Christian, your personal fitness trainer, Muay Thai instructor, and my marketing manager, and me, Sharita, your hormonal coach, mental coach, health coach, holistic nutritionist, naturopath in training, and specializing in female hormones. Well, you are asking probably, why did I choose hormones? Well, it all started 10 years ago, where I found myself in a really dark place and I had my share of hormonal imbalance. And I ended up in a doctor's office, where I find not very good attitude of my doctor, who basically was trying to stuff me with all different medication. And I realized that this doesn't go with me. I don't want to go that way. I started my personal research. From there, I did my own studying, and then I went to school, and obviously did specializing in many different subjects which were important for hormonal balance, and I started to apply them on myself, and I realized they are having a really good result. Then I started to do it with my friends and my close family, and they did have as well the same result. So I realized that there is something more to treating hormones than is just the traditional way, like anticonceptives or antidepressants, and all the traditional medicine remedies. And I realized that through dieting, through your lifestyle changes, through supplements, through herbal remedies, you can actually put your hormones in balance pretty fast, and you can actually really stay in your hormonal balance. So, ladies, I would like to pass you all that notion and all the information that I find out, and I would like to help you to find your personal hormonal balance. So stay tuned. Don't forget to take a part in our Facebook page, on my blog, and stay tuned to next videos, where I am going to reveal all the different tips how to stay healthy and full of energy. So, I'll see you very soon. Bye bye.